Hello again, my name's John. I'm a retired chef from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to my latest video. In this one, I'm doing a quick little Halloween recipe that the kids can have a go at, as there's no cooking involved. There is a little microwave work, but nothing hot. And the recipe is these great little Halloween crispy cakes. And as this is a quick little video, mainly aimed at the kids, I'll leave the name splash and shout out for the next video. Okay, I'll quickly go through the ingredients. The measurements for them are on the channel's website and in the description box below the video. You'll also need a 12-cup muffin tin to hold the paper cases and a bowl to mix it all in. Okay, I'll start by breaking up the milk chocolate into small pieces. And you could also skip this step by using chocolate chips. And the next step is to melt the chocolate between 30 and 34 degrees Celsius, that's 85 to 93 Fahrenheit. Start the microwave off on medium power for 1 minute. Next, medium power again for 20 seconds this time. And as you can see, the chocolate's starting to get soft. Now do it in 10-second bursts, so still on medium power, until the chocolate melts. And that's it, the temperature's showing 33 degrees Celsius, that's 91 Fahrenheit, which is ideal for what we need. Now add the cornflakes, Rice Krispies and mini marshmallows and mix gently until everything is combined. Right, that's all mixed. Now it's time to fill the paper cases to the top as shown. And once that's done, you can start to decorate the cakes whichever way you like. I'm using spooky marshmallows, eyeballs and these jelly skulls and brains. Whatever you use, gently press them down into the chocolate. That will ensure they stick when the chocolate sets up. And to finish mine off, I'm using these cute little cocktail sticks with scary skulls attached. And once that's done, the whole tray goes into the fridge for about 30 minutes until the chocolate sets up. And there you go, it's as easy as that. I've arranged them on this little black tray, ready to present to your Halloween party table or to dish out to those lucky trick-or-treaters. And another idea is to turn the lights off, pretend you're not at home and keep them for yourself. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in your kitchen and bye for now.